I just love these new earrings I got from Etsy. Stick around for the unboxing. Okay, here's the unboxing of my order from Ruth Ann Morgan. Adore gorgeous. And I'm not sure, you never know. Look at this cute little box. It came with a nice thank you card. So I don't know which one this is. I ordered 2 pairs of earrings. So you're going to get to see it with me. Oh, whoa. Now see how big they are? I mean, look, compared to my hand. I think it's always helpful to have something to compare it to. Look, like here's an ink pen. So I don't like small earrings. So these suit me just fine. Now, I'm holding the phone, so yeah, it's kind of messy. Look at this really nice box. And by the way, Ruth, I'm very pleased with that. So, hang on. Here's the second pair of earrings I ordered from, what is it? Adore Gorgeous. What a name. And, oh, wow. Oh my God, I don't know which I like better. I'm so pleased. And see, I'm going to put my finger by it. Because a lot of times you order earrings and they look real big in the picture and then you get them and they're for some tiny little thing. I don't like anything small. Anyway, here's the 2 pairs of earrings that I ordered from this wonderful lady, Ruth Ann Morgan. Very good service, and I highly recommend it. And here's how they look. Here's the bigger pair, and here's the smaller pair. I'm so pleased. I intend to keep my eye open for the next set of goodies that you have in your store.